This is a wonderful initiative. It's beautiful to see so many young people in a space like this sharing. Isn't this so? Like, really feeling blessed, you know? Secondly, speaking of young people, I was not aware of globally toddlers. What is going to be, but it's fine. Yeah? The following poem has two titles and a double meaning. The first like a verse from the Bible, the second short and simple seeming. Title one is Visit the Library, You Lazy Motherfucker. Or you will end up a fat, AIDS-laden, pile-suffering, acha-smelling, sweat-dripping tracker. Donate some books to Miss Taka so her orphans won't suffer, you pseudo-revolutionary sucker. Fake-ass Rasta. Using my soul as a buffer, the arts as some cheap barter. Go dig it, cocksucker. No Kenya Papa in a foot in a man. You'll use each other like the hot dog with Mahala and still have the balls to china with each other. You'll talk about saving Mushaba but never for Mahala. Rather, Nyala a capitalism for Nuge Empire. Look, Haganada Tava for Latumela, Pola Hana, Namela Tava, Lebo Mandala while you become a real motherfucker. After send the tape to your father so you can watch while he rapes some hoe from Ghana. Throwing our craft in the gutter. Uneducated danda. You see, that is your blunder. You are placing real issues asunder, superficial writers, little winter biters, trying to score me like mitre, crocodile smiler. You'll force me to rhyme to reach your feeble minder, but never will I fight her. You see, the brooder bond is getting tighter. Managers seem a whole lot whiter, while BEE claims to make life lighter, but only for the freedom fighter. So while you fighter and biter, this writer, being a money wanter, the money that you want is sitting with Mr. Nika. Suddenly Asians and colors are black. They are no longer lighter. I play Mandela's post-prison cipher, and that's another freedom fighter we need to decipher. But wait for the time to be righter when he dies. You see, I say he's the piper. Let us all to a back life, a black voice stifler. And by black, I mean black. Not that BEE rap brainwash crap got my people in a trap. I should kill myself, travel with a universal map, flow from a universal tap while you pick your lizards in a cap. You see, y'all are all full of crap. The second title of the poem is Literacy. The poem itself, recited in American English, goes as such. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now you know there. A, B, C. Next time, won't you kiss the ass with me for some currency? Bless all.